What's the win rate of the Keltner Channel's indicator that actually looks better than the Bollinger Band's indicator? In this video, I'm going to test the Keltner Channel's trading strategy 100 times that I talked about in the previous video, to find its win rate and compare it with other strategies we have tested so far, and to see if it actually makes money or not. Also, in this video, I have improved the Keltner Channel strategy a bit more, because while backtesting, I found out that, instead of taking buy signals at the first candle that crosses and closes above the upper Keltner Channel's band, it is better to take a long position when a candle opens and closes completely above the upper band. And instead of selling when the first candle crosses and closes below the lower Keltner Channel's band, it is better to take a short position when the candle completely opens and closes below the lower band. By doing this, you will filter some of the false signals that appear in a choppy market. Keltner Channels was one of the most interesting indicators I have tested on the Trading Rush channel. You will see why in a moment. At the start, when the price was in an uptrend, it won 10 trades in a row. It not only won multiple trades in a row, but also lost multiple trades in a row pretty much as soon as the win streak ended. In fact, it lost 17 trades in a row. If I remember correctly, 17 losses in a row is the highest losing streak we have seen on the Trading Rush channel. We have tested many different strategies, but none of them had anything as high as 17 losses in a row, even though they all were tested on almost the same market structure. But that's not all. As I said, this indicator is one of the interesting indicators we have tested yet. One might think, after having these many losses in a row, no way this strategy is going to be profitable, but if you look at the profit graph, after winning and losing, the profit line went in an upward direction in almost a straight line. If it had not lost this one trade, the Keltner Channel's trading strategy won almost 17 trades in a row. Keltner Channels gives more signals in a short time period. It made a good profit when the price was in an uptrend at the start, but when the uptrend ended and the price started a downtrend, it had a losing streak because it gave multiple signals in a short period of time near the end of the trend. But here's the thing, many traders in the live market add to the position or take more trades when they notice a good trend, or when they are right about the trend direction. When they win multiple trades in a row, the profit graph looks similar to the winning streak the Keltner Channel strategy had in a good trend. But when you start losing multiple trades in a row, you don't take more trades in the market. In other words, even though the Keltner Channels had 17 losing trades in a row because it gave multiple signals near the end of the trend, in the live market, you are most likely going to stop after getting few losing trades in a row in the same trend. Because of this, Keltner Channel's trading strategy that we discussed in the previous video has a great potential to achieve a higher win rate, as long as you stop taking more trades in a short time if you have already had around 5 losses in a row. In this experiment, even after losing 17 trades in a row, it still managed to make money after 100 trades, and got a 49% approximate win rate with a 1.5 to 1 reward risk ratio. In the Trading Rush app, it made a profit of $2,250 with an account size of 10,000 and with 1% risk per trade, of course. And the Keltner Channel's trading strategy gets a TR score of 27.3 out of 50. And if you come to the official Trading Rush website, you will see it ranks 17th from the top, just above the RSI Supertrend trading strategy, and below the Bollinger Band strategy. Now it ranks below the Bollinger Band strategy, because the Bollinger Bands we tested was a slightly different and difficult strategy, and because the Keltner Channels lost few points in the reliability and consistent profits category because it had 17 losing trades in a row. When it comes to the easy-to-use category, the Keltner Channels easily takes the lead. Overall, the Keltner Channel is a good indicator with great potential. That's all.